Hello friends, welcome to Vishwas Voice. In today's video, where we will explore simple and affordable way to turn your terrace into lush green paradise. Whether you are a plant lover or a complete beginner, these friendly tips and ideas will help you to create a relaxing outdoor space full of vibrant and greenery, perfect for unwinding, entertaining, or just enjoying the beauty of nature right at home. Let's dive in and get started on your very own green oasis. Before exploring into our topic, this video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online application now available in Play Store and Apple Store in the name BuyMote e-shopping. A link is given in the description. Please install the application, get the best deal and discount. This presentation structure provides a clear flow of ideas and concepts for do-it-yourself terrace gardening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips inspires you to turn your terrace into your own green tree retreat. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more ideas on creating a beautiful space at home. If you have any questions or want to share your own terrace transformation, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye bye.